Hey, hello. So this is the code reflection video for project 2 for operating systems. So first of all, let us demonstrate the tests here for the project. So make so as you see there, everything compiles and links correctly. Make tests here, so we see our test requests units all work. So requests create, delete, write, both with and without body. All success. Same with the test queue unit. So create, push, pop, and delete all working, and the test that the queue is indeed functional. Then something that's a bit interesting is that the test echo client has actually been hanging recently. Sometimes it does say success, and sometimes it hangs like it is right now. And so I can talk about that a little bit more in the errata part of the video. But it does still work, and it passes on GitHub as well. So let's actually show the chat application. So right here, I'm gonna run the server here. It's on student 00. So it's now running on port 1428. So if I come over here, these machines are both on student 04. What I would do is say make application. There you go, see it's linking. Then I will run the application executable. And there it is. So you see, obviously, it pops up on the left-hand side here. I didn't give it an argument, so let me do that. So there you see, subscribe to QoS. And I'm actually going to do the same thing down here on the other instance of machine to show that it does indeed work for multiple at one time. So we run it. And there it is. You see that both of them work. You can say systems or something like that. It doesn't have to be true. And then you see, obviously, the message pops up. So yeah, like I talked about with the errata, it is weird that test echo client passes on the GitHub check, but sometimes will hang or fail when you're on PuTTY. Another thing is we talked about in our README was, yeah, just more of that. Sometimes stopping and rerunning will fix it, but it's spotty. And finally, what did we learn by doing the project? Obviously, we got a pretty in-depth look at synchronization when it comes to concurrency, semaphores, condition variables, that type of stuff. And we also saw how complex it can get, and really illustrating the idea that the first rule of a lock is to not use a lock, because it did take us quite a while to debug because things were so complex. So yeah, that is our project. Thanks so much.